Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Yeah, so today we have started one new batch which is Multicloud with DevOps, which is a master program. Okay, so today demo session happened. So what is DevOps? Why DevOps? What is automation? Why automation? Why the project teams are looking for automation tools? So what is cost saving? And so why the DevOps is having more demand in the market? So these are all we discussed today. Okay, so tomorrow onwards regular sessions will be started. Okay, tomorrow we are going to work on cloud introduction and also question and answers. Okay, yeah, so tomorrow onwards regular sessions will be started. So those who are not attended today, you will get the recording session. You can continue from tomorrow, right? So tomorrow 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. same timings, same link will work. And I already shared my number with you. Yeah, if anyone want to talk to me, you can reach out to me, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, right? So if anyone need a career guidance, right, you can reach out to me, we'll discuss. Fine. So this Multicloud with DevOps is a master program. So don't miss the session tomorrow. Yeah, so tomorrow onwards, we are going to have regular sessions. Fine. Thank you all.